behind my romances. My wife found out, beat the crap out of me. Took more strokes than the hardest par 5. So many times it happens so fast. You get a call from your mistress. Don't give your number to some cheap piece of ass, unless you want to up your life. It's the wife of a tiger and she's ready to smash all your car windows with a 9-iron. And the next time she finds her husband cheating again, she won't stop till she chops off the balls of the tiger. You need to do me a huge favor. Take your name off your voicemail. My wife found out, and boy is she pissed. Holy crap, I think she's coming after me right now. It's the wife of a tiger and she's ready to fight, adding billions of dollars to her prenup. And the next time she finds her husband cheating again, she won't stop